आज ना दिल्ली की बिल्ली को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है और ना दिल्ली की बिल्ली निकालने वाली है अपने पंजे। और ये पंजे किसके लिए हैं? ये किसी के लिए नहीं है, ये खुद के लिए हैं और ये आप लोगों के लिए है। राइट, दिस इज़ फॉर मी एंड दिस इज़ फॉर यू एंड आई एम so mad. Why am I mad? Because I am done blaming myself. I am done feeling guilty about things that I have done, and I am done not being able to move on in life. Guys, today what I want to talk to you about is forgiveness. No, I'm not going to ask you to forgive those people who have hurt you, who have let you down in some way, who should have done things for you, who owed you, and they hurt you terribly, terribly. उनको तो छोड़ दो, उनकी तो हम देख लेंगे, उनको मैं देख लूँगी, वो बात की बात है. But today I really am telling you, I'm feeling just so emotional right now, and I want to really reach out to you and make you understand why it's so important for you to forgive yourself. I'm not saying don't introspect, I'm not saying don't reflect. Please do that, but don't go into so much depth that you actually go downhill, because this is about you and me pulling ourselves together, becoming stronger, learning to make better decisions, and becoming better human beings, and improving the quality of our lives, improving our future. Yes, it's true that a man is nothing but the result of his decisions. But decisions, even if they seem so right at that time, they can go terribly wrong. What will you do then? How much can you beat yourself about it? Today, I want you to forgive yourself for lost opportunities. I want you to forgive yourself for bad decisions. I want you to forgive yourself for the people that you have hurt. I want you to forgive yourself, where you have known that you could have done better and still you didn't go ahead and do what was needed for your sake. Today, I am not asking you to not go back and make amends and set things right where it is possible. Please do that if it's important to you and you can make it happen. It would be so wonderful. That's like the best thing that can happen to any of us. But today I want you to let go of the ghosts of the past. I know I'm harping about today, because if you procrastinate this, then this today is never going to happen. This today is never going to become your tomorrow or your future. Please invest in yourself. Please take responsibility. It is extremely irresponsible to continue to feel guilty. It is. It is extremely irresponsible to continue to blame yourself. You need to start taking responsibility. You need to strengthen your decision making ability. You need to work on your care, your caution, your precaution. You definitely need to work on building and strengthening your emotional quotient, your intelligence quotient. Yeah? Can you do that today? Can you please embrace yourself, embrace your virtues, embrace your vices, and move on from there to become a better person? I want you to embrace your future. Right? If you hold on to the past so much and you keep blaming yourself, somewhere you're threatening your growth. I can say that because I have done that the last couple of days. I have sat, right, with oil on my hair, wearing the worst possible jammies, right, that I had, and with my comfort cup of tea or coffee in my hand, book by my bedside, and staring simply into space, thinking that yes, I'm dwelling in my past, but this reflection and introspection shall help me grow. Took me nowhere, guys. I just wasted my time, and I want you not to do that. Stop wasting your time. Start looking up. Start investing in today. Start investing in your future. Start growing. Please stop blaming yourself. Please stop beating yourself. Please forgive yourself. Be better. Take better decisions and move on in life. Doesn't the day look better already? It's a beautiful life. and you are a beautiful person, and you just forgave yourself. You know, so many people tell us that the moment you forgive someone, even if that person hasn't come to you to say sorry, you evolve so much. You undergo tremendous growth. You let go of so much negative energy. Today, sweetheart, you've forgiven yourself, and I have forgiven myself, and I feel better already. With all my heart, wishing you a wonderful day.